Hello everybody, I am reviewing Gain+Odor Defense 3-in-1 Oxy Boost Febreze Odor Remover Super Fresh Blast. This is what it is. I'm going to go in the laundry room and I'm going to wash my clothes. I think I may only put one of these in there. Or maybe two, because I have a very big load, and it's mainly lights. Okay. So this is my first time trying this formulation here. I'm going to open it to see how that Gain smells. Does it smell the same or is it completely different? This down. Open it. Oh, that's right. Is it right? Is it right? It's right. It's right. It smells so good. It smells so good. I'm sweating, y'all. It's 90-something degrees today. So it's your standard, like the pods, but they call them flings. And I'm not putting any scent beads in the wash because I want to see if this laundry detergent is going to do its job completely to it or other things to it. So I'm going in the laundry room now. So this is a mixed load here. Okay, so I'm going to come back when it's done so you can see the results. So I like this detergent a lot. It smells so good without the beads. Everything is very clean. But the smell is similar to the Tide with the Oxy. I will buy this again. I give this one a 10. Across the board, it's really good. I like when I don't have to buy a whole lot of extra products. See how clean that is. As I was saying in the laundry room, this detergent has a familiar smell, and it does to me. It smells like the Tide with the Oxy. I think Gain is a little bit cheaper than Tide, so this would be a good detergent to buy. They always have coupons. Tide does too. Gain always have the coupons, and like I said, this stuff is cheaper. You can get it at Family Dollar for a good price. So try this and see how you like it. Leave a message and let me know what you feel about this product. Again, this is the Gain+Odor Defense. Alright, so hope you enjoyed this video. I will be coming with some more on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Please share. Please comment. Please subscribe. Okay? Bye.